Financial planning for families is an essential part of securing a stable future, but it can often feel overwhelming. Whether you're managing daily expenses, saving for big milestones, or looking to prepare for retirement, it's crucial to have a comprehensive plan in place. Family life comes with its own set of financial responsibilities, and having a clear strategy helps ensure everyone's needs are met, both now and in the future. In this video, we'll guide you through the ultimate financial planning process for families, covering the top 10 key areas you should focus on to keep your finances secure. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more financial tips. 10. Set clear financial goals. The first step in building a solid financial plan is setting clear, achievable financial goals. Without a roadmap, it's hard to track your progress or know where to allocate your resources. Start by identifying both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could include things like paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. Long-term goals might include buying a house, saving for your children's education, and preparing for retirement. When setting goals, make them specific and measurable. For example, save $5,000 for an emergency fund by the end of the year is much clearer and easier to track than simply saying save money. This clarity will help you prioritize and create a more actionable plan. 9. Create a family budget. A family budget is the foundation of financial planning. It helps track income, expenses, and savings. Start by listing all of your family's income sources, such as salaries, bonuses, or side hustles. Then, break down your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and healthcare. Don't forget to account for non-monthly expenses, like insurance premiums or annual subscriptions. Once you have an overview of your income and expenses, look for areas where you can cut back. For instance, consider reducing discretionary spending on dining out, entertainment, or subscriptions you rarely use. Allocate a portion of your budget towards savings and investments. Use budgeting tools or apps to track your spending and make adjustments as needed. 8. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential to help your family weather unexpected financial storms. Having money set aside for emergencies can protect you from going into debt when the unexpected happens, such as a medical emergency, job loss, or car repairs. Financial experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start by building up a small emergency fund of $1,000, then gradually increase it over time as your budget allows. Keep this money in a separate savings account and don't touch it for non-emergency expenses. This fund provides peace of mind and helps prevent financial stress during tough times. 7. Get life insurance. Life insurance is an essential part of any family's financial plan, especially if you have dependents. It ensures that your family will be financially supported if something were to happen to you. There are two main types of life insurance: term life and whole life. Term life insurance offers coverage for a set period, such as 20 or 30 years, while whole life provides coverage for your entire lifetime and can build cash value over time. When deciding how much life insurance you need, consider factors like your income, debts, and the number of dependents you have. A general rule of thumb is to have life insurance coverage that's 15 times your annual income. Life insurance gives your family the security they need if the unexpected occurs, so it's an important investment in your overall financial plan. 6. Save for your children's education. If you have children, saving for their education is likely one of your top financial priorities. College tuition can be expensive, and starting early will help reduce the financial burden later. There are various ways to save for education, including 529 college savings plans and custodial accounts, both of which offer tax advantages. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even small monthly contributions can make a significant difference over the years. 5. Plan for retirement. Planning for retirement is something that should be started as early as possible, even if retirement seems far away. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401, KES, IRAs, or other employer-sponsored plans. If your employer offers a match for your 401k contributions, take full advantage of it. This is essentially free money. Set retirement goals by estimating how much money you will need to live comfortably after you stop working. 4. Manage debt. managing debt is crucial for maintaining your financial health. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, staying on top of debt payments is key to avoiding financial stress. Start by creating a debt repayment plan, focusing on high-interest debt first, such as credit cards, before moving on to student loans or mortgages. Consider consolidating or refinancing your loans to get a lower interest rate, which can save you money in the long run. If you're struggling to make debt payments, seek advice from a financial counselor. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and be mindful of your spending habits. 3. Invest for the future. Investing is an essential part of building long-term wealth for your family. Once you've built an emergency fund, paid down high-interest debt, and saved for education and retirement, start investing for the future. Investments can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Consider starting with low-cost index funds, which are a great way to get exposure to the stock market without taking on too much risk. Over time, as your family's financial situation improves, you can increase your investments and diversify your portfolio. 2. Teach your kids about money. Financial literacy is important for everyone in the family, including your children. Teaching them about money at an early age sets them up for success in the future. Start by teaching your children basic financial concepts like saving, budgeting, and investing. Allow them to have a small allowance and encourage them to save a portion of it. 1. Regularly review your financial plan. Your family's financial situation can change over time, so it's important to regularly review and update your financial plan. Life events such as a job change, marriage, the birth of a child, or buying a home can impact your financial goals. Set aside time at least once a year to review your budget, investments, and savings plans to ensure they still align with your family's needs. As your income increases or your children grow, adjust your goals and contributions accordingly. Regularly reviewing your financial plan helps ensure you're on track to meet your long-term objectives and allows you to make adjustments when needed. Financial planning for families can seem overwhelming at first, but by taking small steps and being consistent, you can create a stable financial future for your loved ones. Start by setting clear goals, budgeting effectively, saving for emergencies, and planning for retirement. With the right strategies in place, you'll be prepared to handle whatever life throws your way. Make sure to stay on top of your debt, invest for the future, and teach your kids about financial literacy. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan ensures you're always on the right path. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more financial planning tips, and stay tuned for more content to help you secure your family's financial future. Thanks for watching.